Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. Okay, so I just pulled up to a skate shop called The Point, and they're actually closing their doors today. It's skate shop day, and yeah, I don't know. I think the lease was up, and the landlord might have raised the rent. I'm not really sure the whole story behind it, but yeah, I think a bunch of people are coming out to support the final day, and they have an indoor bowl, and you know, we got a rainy day today, so it's kind of perfect. But yeah, meeting a couple of people here, so let's hop in there and check it out. What's going on, man? How's everything? Yeah. How you feeling?
Good, doing good.
Nice
yeah,
to meet you.
man.
How's it going?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Thanks for
Nice.
coming out.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, enjoy the videos, man. It's
Yeah.
super cool.
Oh, thanks.
Cool. Thanks.
No, thank you.
We did one for Blue. Blue will love that.
Yeah, he'll love it. I started in '84, and then skated. I lived in a small town, so we didn't have vert ramps. It was all street. That's all we had. It was barely into that.
There's nothing around.
Yeah.
How long have you been back skating again?
Like 11 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You been coming here for a while?
I was here day one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my buddy Drew. You know Drew?
Yeah.
One
I
of
think
the
so,
owners,
yeah.
He's one of the owners.
Wow.
Hey, oh, you found Chad.
I found Chad.
I told you you're here. I'm Felix.
Chad.
We're big fans of your content.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
but
then
you
you
know.
work mornings. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'd always talk about it.
Oh, really?
Oh, shit, you see that shit?
See what he did?
Yeah, it's good
That's
shit.
awesome. Oh, yeah. Thank you, man.
I would love it.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah, it's good to meet you, buddy. Good skating with you.
All right, cool. Fun little session right there. Huge shout out to The Point, everyone there. They were all super cool. And having worked at shops, many shops over the years, I know how much it takes, and I appreciate everything they've done for the community over the past 10 years. Now I'm going to chill a little bit and just relax before the premiere at 4 Down tonight.
Mike.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Chad.
to meet you.
How's it
Do
going?
you skate here?
I'm
Are you
done.
skating city to city?
Those days are done.
That's right. Thanks for coming. I'm
Oh,
Mike.
Thanks for having me.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
From New York.
New York.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Are you from here?
I'm from here, yeah.
Nice.
I lived out in Long Beach for a long time.
Nice. Oh, this place is awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah,
It's
stop.
kind of hard to explain. We like underneath us are cold storage containers, so we get food donated through the week from like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, local farms, and we do food distributions for the community. Feed about 300-400 families a week.
Really?
Yeah, really good stuff like quiches and breads and fresh produce, and then that's compost.
Wow.
That's like 2,000 yards of compost that we're doing.
Wow, that's a huge operation. Man.
Yeah,
You know,
so
it
we're
took a
turning
while
that
to-
into
yeah.
a business.
Wow.
So we're trying to do businesses in the nonprofit, so we don't have to rely on grants and bullshit
Yeah.
and all that. And then we're growing underneath here. These 2 containers are growing like 1,200 heads of lettuce, of kale, and all these different varieties for a restaurant.
Can I take a peek at it?
Yeah, yeah. Well,
Yeah?
actually,
Oh no.
it's if Emily was here, she would give you the tour.
Oh,
They
okay.
don't let me in there.
Oh, okay.
Then we do microgreens underneath here.
Nice.
A vertical farm under a vertical ramp.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Something like that.
That is awesome.
Yeah, so it's kind of hard to explain. You got to come here to kind of
Yeah.
see it. I explain to people, they're like, what? And we do art shows and this type of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Our
incredible.
big 10-year anniversary, May 17th.
It must have took a
What's
while
happening?
to build. Like it seems like such a complex.
This was a
thing to-
rundown.
yeah.
I wanted, because I'm an old vert skater,
Mm-hmm.
and I wanted a private vert ramp. So we were at this old location. Because I moved back to Dallas, there was no vert ramp, and we kind of started. How are we going to pay the bills? Oh, let's do a fundraiser,
Yeah.
do art show. It's kind of morphed from there. And then during the pandemic, we realized food insecurity and all that, so we started working with other nonprofits.
Wow.
It jumped into that hard. It really organically happened. You get out. My partner Rob will say, "No, I had it all planned out." We didn't have shit planned out. This was a rundown lot with grass like this high, paved-in building, and we had a fucking shitty mini ramp in the parking lot for like almost a year.
Yeah.
And slowly just kind of.
It's incredible what you're doing, though. I
Yeah.
love it.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
And you built all this.
These came from Montreal. So we partnered with this lady who owns a restaurant called Dive Coastal, Dive Down we call it. So it's kind of, she's from California, and she was like, I want to put my containers here. We're like, cool. Sounds good to me.
Wow.
So and then we added all the things. So it turned out cool.
That's so cool.
And when you were in Garland, your path is going to go right past my sister-in-law's house. So I called her and said, hey, can I hang out by your house in the morning? She said, yeah, sure. So I waited and waited for you. You never showed up, so I got in my car. I got up and down the road. I was so scared. I was like, what happened to Chad? What happened to Chad? You took a wrong turn. You went down I-30 on the access road. And I'm like, no way.
Really?
And I missed you. I had my Sharpie. I had my skateboard. You know,
Really?
I didn't practice. I'm an old guy. I didn't start skating until I was 59 years old. It becomes very slowly, but
You started at 59?
59, yeah.
That's awesome. I love that.
And I just love it. The challenge is just amazing. It's the improvements are so minor that they feel so. And congratulations on stuff. So
Thank you. That means a lot.
I don't think some people get that.
Okay, so we have third place.
Yeah, third place is the back 360 guy.
Third, the back 360. We're gonna open up to Q&A, so if someone wants to break the ice with a question. I mean, I probably should have iced and stretched more while I was skating because I finished the day, you know, I get to the hotel and I'd be just so dead and like I just couldn't be nice some days. But then towards the end I felt that, so.
So I have like a pretty indestructible stomach, luckily. But I mean, there were times where you're not gonna find somewhere, so I'd be nowhere to hide, no trees, and I'd just be waving at the trucks.
Just want to do a bit personal thing here. I assume you have a full-time job or something like that. How do you take time off to just skate across America or go fly to 15 states?
Yeah, I work at a server and a food truck. I don't have any money. I do all these trips just all in. Everything is all in and I figure it out. Because I just place my value in life on experience, helping people, learning. So if it doesn't work out, I'll figure it out. I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much. I'm here. Come on, hop in.
After I pick up your
Did they get you the trucks? Yourself?
Oh. He's kicking you out. He's kicking you out.
It's from my.
We gotta let him get back in. Hey, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys, what an incredible night to end this whole trip. Four Down is an amazing place. I could tell just by researching it that it was awesome, but being there and like seeing everything they do is, it really is mind-blowing. It's such a great thing that they're doing there, and I highly recommend if you're in the area popping in and checking it out. Super cool. Also, thank you, Will Cortez from Cortez Skateshop, helping do this whole event on Skate Shop Day. Just the whole thing was, I couldn't ask for more. So yeah, now this leg of the documentary screenings, book signings, is over. You know, now not really sure. I got to go home, reassess, try to figure out what I'm going to do. If I'm going to try to go to California or plan another trip. Still up in the air. But yeah, I learned a lot on this trip. And I mean, this was supposed to be a book tour that just kind of just turned into a skate park, skate shop, like skate scene, DIY tour. And I learned so much about all these places around the country. And yeah, I'm just really happy I went on this trip and got to meet so many incredible people. So yeah, thanks to everyone who watched, who commented, all that stuff. It's really appreciated. And yeah, I'm going to take a little break, rest up my knee, and then yeah, we'll see where we're at. So I'll see you guys soon.